So you're coming to the Philippines and wanting to try Jollibee's. Well, friends, we bought everything on the menu. Let's get into this day's food review.
So if you guys have heard of Jollibee, it is the fast food joint of the Philippines. This is basically the Philippines' mascot. So today we're going to be taking you through a total food review of basically everything that they sell. So let's go right on in. I have been so hungry, guys. It's time. There are so many people here.
All right, so what'd you want to get?
One of everything.
All right, looks like we're getting one of everything. Guys, I wish I could say a slam Jollibee's was like a rare occasion, but anytime we try coming, it's lines like this. And they never get any shorter.
This is seriously everybody that we've talked to about like food or when we look for food recommendations. It's like, have you had Jollibee's yet?
Yeah.
Which I can
exactly
totally understand. Apparently Anthony Bourdain featured it on No Reservations, and they
Did he really?
Yeah.
Oh.
And they even opened up a Jollibee's in Vegas. So if you've been there, let us know in the comments below. But everything that we heard is that this place is amazing, and now it's literally just trying to eat it all.
Yeah, we're literally gonna try one of everything. This reminds me of working at the bar when I worked in Australia. Like, it would just be this busy all the time. Like, never a dull moment where you're not just running around scrambling to fill orders. If you guys actually want to see our Australia vlogs, click up there, because we did some really cool stuff while we were there. But we actually went there primarily for our working holiday visa. We could make up a little money. Oh. Can I get super meal Thank you. Alright, thank you. Alright, do you wanna... Alrighty, so we got one of everything on the menu, and it cost us 374 pesos, which came out to like $7.20. And it came with a lot of food. Time to dig in.
We now have a bacon cheesy yum burger, a peach mango apple looking pie, but it has no apple in it, a vanilla swirl for dessert. Daniel got a farsi float, whatever the hell that is.
Sarsi
float, whatever that is. If you know what that is, let us know in the comments below.
And then we ended up getting a super meal, so that way we could try everything. So it came with chicken. They had the option to do spicy chicken. Spicy chicken's pretty good, but we got regular this time. It's like a beef patty and mushroom gravy sauce, and then Filipino spaghetti. And everything comes with like a little cube thing of rice.
And everybody talks about the spaghetti, so I'm very curious.
Yeah. We got a cheesy dog. It's not what I was expecting. I was definitely expecting like a thick layer of cheese.
But that's like real cheese on there.
Yeah. And then we got fries.
Which I'm trying right now. Delicious. So, here's how it's gonna happen, y'all. I'm gonna open it up. That has a lot of mayonnaise, or whatever that is. I'm gonna split it in half. That's about half.
And this is how we're gonna approach everything, actually.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. I love food.
If I could get paid to eat, that would be awesome.
Oh my god, we are kind of getting paid to eat. Thank you for watching. So, this little mayo thing that's like pink actually tastes kind of like tartar sauce. Would you say that? Here.
Mine didn't have any mayo on it.
Oh, thanks. I had all.
It literally was put on one. I'll take it off. Don't worry.
What do you think?
It's a sweet tartar sauce without the chunkiness.
Yeah, no, there's no like relish in it. And I think it may even be like a mayo ketchup, but a little bit more acidic or vinegary.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, the bacon tastes like bacon.
The burger tastes like burger.
The cheese tastes like cheese. The bread tastes like bread. And it's delicious.
Well done.
This is why you can't take me anywhere. We're We're just about a couple of dorks with a nice camera. That's all it is. As Danny almost spits his Coke.
Pretty much summarizes our lives.
True. But first, okay, so we're gonna try some desserts. Which are these?
Because they are melting very fast.
Yeah, so, but I need to go get a spoon.
They're right there. Watching her try and get the spoons is kind of funny. She doesn't have her glasses or contacts in because we're getting an eye appointment while here in the mall.
While I was at it, I grabbed us some ketchup.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Spoon?
What? Nothing. I didn't.
What did he say?
I didn't say anything. Let's try
Menace.
this vanilla stuff. Here you go.
Okay.
Oh, here, you grab actually. Oh, I guess I will try this.
That creaminess, like when you put your... We didn't count down!
It literally almost fell off the spoon.
Get it together.
It's really good.
All right, well, I guess.
It's really soft and creamy. And it's not like the normal vanilla flavor you would expect.
No.
What is that mixed with? It's almost like a milky vanilla. That's exactly what it is.
And not as sweet.
Yeah.
It reminds me of something I've had before, though. Almost like, here's actually what it reminds me of.
What?
I don't know if you guys have had these before, like when you were young, where they sell you like the cheese with the little sticks, and you would like take it to kindergarten. They have an Oreo version of this where it's like Oreo sticks and the white cream.
I was like, where are you going with this? That would be gross.
Yeah, no, it doesn't taste like cheese. But it does taste like the white cream that you would dip like the Oreo sticks in, but the less sweet ice cream version of that.
Yeah, no, my mom never let me have those. Thanks, Mom.
My mom did. Thanks, Mom.
All right, so this is the Sarsi float. It's got like a bunch of ice mixed in through it. It just looks like Coca-Cola.
With chocolate syrup and some cream. What is it?
No way.
Okay, I have to try this now.
You could honestly probably just drink it like that.
It smells like cough syrup.
I'll tell you what it tastes like in a second. Because she wasn't gonna like it.
Is that Dr. Pepper?
No. It tastes like licorice, Annette. How do you like that?
It does not taste like licorice.
That's true,
I
it
think
tastes
it tastes like Dr. Pepper.
I think it tastes like licorice. Right? I can see where you thought it tastes like Dr. Pepper. Just a lot less sweet Dr. Pepper.
Either Dr. Pepper or Cherry Coke. That's what I think that tastes like.
Oh, true. I see why this is popular. This is really good.
That is really good.
And something that I've really liked about like Filipinos sweets is that like they're not over sugary.
Have you been to a Filipino bakery?
I mean, we haven't done a bakery yet. Bakery review coming
Coming
too soon. But okay, I'm talking about like sweets. Like imagine ice cream, sodas. Like
I can see that.
You would think they're like laden with sugar, and they probably are. You just can't really taste them.
I will say their salty foods are very sweet. So like we had barbecue wings yesterday.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That barbecue was all sugar. And then they have like a spaghetti, which I think we're gonna taste kind of soon. That's also sweet. So we'll get to that. All right.
Very true. This
Next
is awesome.
thing.
All right, rice, chicken, beef patty, spaghetti. Let's do this.
I'm hitting up the spaghetti.
Oh, you don't want to hit up the mushroom gravy beef patty?
Oh, I forgot to get a fork.
Okay.
His turn to get up. I don't know what he said when I went, but he's such a sweet dude. Really, guys, if you guys were to ever meet Danny, you would know that the exact person that you see on the vlog is the person that you see all the time. He's just a lovely human. I got so lucky. Actually, I mentioned our proposal story in the last vlog, and it was really, really sweet. He proposed to me in an ice rink, but I'll let the other vlog tell you more about that story. On that note, he's coming back, so I'm gonna pretend like I was talking really bad stuff.
I hear you talking crap over there. Ugh.
That's what you get.
It's okay, I did the same thing. Are you ready for this?
All right.
Something that I love about Filipino spaghetti, it has hot dogs in it. What?
Don't eat it before we cheers to it. I see you, sneaky.
All right.
I must say, I have never, ever tried fast food spaghetti before. It smells weird. It smells...
Does it really?
It smells like Vienna sausages almost.
I can see that.
Where's the little sausage bit?
You got the sausage right there. It's on the end of the fork.
All right. No, I just got the sausage now. All right. 3,
cheers.
2, 1.
Oh yeah. That is really good. It's like a soft Vienna sausage, and then it has like sweet sauce over al dente noodles that's kind of ketchup-y. I'm a fan.
That's exactly what that tastes like, and I am not a fan.
Really?
It's just a little sweet. I like my savory foods to be savory.
I also grew up having Filipino spaghetti.
Fair.
One of my buddies, Joseph, who I grew up with, his family lived in the Philippines at one point. I don't really quite remember the story well, but his mom knows how to make Filipino spaghetti. Therefore, he knows how to make Filipino spaghetti, and he's made it for us, actually.
Yeah, he did. When we used to live in our first apartment, he came over and we just had a jolly good old time.
Joseph,
watching movies.
I miss you, brother.
Yeah, we miss you.
All right, on to the next section.
You can enjoy that.
I'll enjoy it later. We'll get different food.
I am gonna eat a fry while he eats that, though.
Oh, this is gonna be Annette's favorite.
I will say I'm kind of a picky eater, and I'm not a huge fan of mushrooms or gravy. But
and to be honest, these look like the canned mushrooms you get, so it's probably not the greatest tasting mushroom.
let me smell this.
I don't think you're gonna like it.
It smells like almost like Campbell's chicken noodle cream soup. Is what the gravy smells like.
That's exactly what it smells like.
I'll let Daniel try the mushroom for you.
Excuse me, no, ma'am. That's not how we do
I'm
it.
not trying a mushroom.
You have to try the full meal.
I'm not trying a mushroom.
Yeah, try the full meal.
But then it's gonna be biased because I don't like mushrooms.
Then that's fine. Then let it be biased. But
Is anybody else down there, like, let me know in the comments, do you like mushrooms? Because I hate mushrooms.
we have to give a full food review.
I'll let Daniel try the mushroom.
No, you gotta give
I'm not doing it. I
full
don't
food
want to
review.
do the mushroom.
You're an adult. You can do it. You got it. Cheers.
We have rice. Should we try it with the rice?
In a second.
Hate mushrooms. You can't really taste the mushroom.
Big baby over here. It tastes like a cheeseburger. Like just the patty drenched in gravy.
The patty's actually really good. I want to try it with some rice. They give you the rice wrapped in like, it looks like a burger, but denser than a burger. Alright.
Save some of the gravy from this too, because what's really good is at the end you can put the gravy on the rice. That is something I've done.
This is so hot. Do you guys see the steam coming off of
Oh my
this?
god.
That is one hot piece of rice.
Here, do you want to set it in this?
I'm gonna just.
Yeah, you're just gonna go for it. Alright, I got it. Do it.
There we go.
Just dig that and then do a bite. Yeah. How was that?
I love rice.
That was good. Alright, so next we have, yes, we got a chicken drum. I was just about to bite that.
Oops. Guess I'm trying a piece of chicken skin.
Uh-huh.
Do you want half?
No, you're fine. Just take.
No.
Oh my god, it's dripping grease.
Uh-oh. Be careful, Daniel. Don't wet yourself.
It's comforting for my arteries.
Oh, yeah. This is not healthy. All right.
No, this is
3,
not.
2, 1.
Cheers. Oh yeah. That is real good. So if you guys have been to the south of the United States, there's this supermarket called Publix that is all over, and they have the best fried chicken. This is the closest thing I've had to it. It's not quite Publix fried chicken.
No.
Still really good. It's like really soft, juicy, moist. The breading isn't too salty, which is nice.
But it's very crunchy.
Very crunchy. But you also saw it was dripping in oil.
It's almost like Publix had a baby with Popeyes and then made this fried chicken.
Oh yeah.
That's what that is. Also, if you guys have had a Publix, I'm curious as to where, because they only have in like the southeastern United States as far as we know, and we're from Florida.
But Publix is expanding. And let me tell you.
It's amazing. I love Publix.
Right before we left to travel, I worked for them for a few months, and it was an amazing place to work with some amazing people. Publix family, miss you guys. All right, lastly, we have the cheesy hot dog.
I forgot about the hot dog.
It was
Man,
tucked
this is
over
so
here in the
much
corner.
fun.
All right, how do you? The trick is trying to get this out of the box without. Why is there plastic? How do we break this apart? Because
we're gonna Lady and the Tramp it. Uno momento, please. Right?
Ooh,
Wow, wow. That is amazing.
that is such a beefy hot dog. Impressively beefy. And the cheese is super mild, which is nice. Finally, the chicken.
So good.
Oh no, I put the chicken in the gravy. Well, let's see how it is.
Okay. The bread is nice. This one kind of tastes a little stale, but the beef hot dog on the inside is a beef hot dog. And it has cheese. You can't really tell the cheese. It has some ketchup, which is nice. What?
I just bit the bone.
You're right.
There's like bits of bone in my mouth.
Oh no.
That was the wrong bite to take.
We actually have one more thing to try.
Oh, we do.
And it is the peach mango pie looking thing. All right. You
I was
can
about
get
to
the
say,
bigger piece.
that's exactly what it is, peach mango pie.
Yep. All right, cheers.
Cheers. Oh. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I'm about this. All right, so sorry you guys are actually seeing me now and not in the video telling you how the food was. But unfortunately, I guess our camera stopped recording. And so like, as I'm going through this, I'm like, no, where's us talking about all the food? Long story short, all of the food was great. So sorry again that we didn't have the actual review in SM Seaside Mall, but I'm glad you guys were able to watch and enjoy the Jollibee food review. And make sure that you guys give the video a like and hit the subscribe button down below. Follow the rest of our adventures around the world because it means a lot to us. We really appreciate it. Anyways, guys, see you on the next adventure. Enjoy Annette eating this food right out of my hand when I was going to eat it. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. So you're coming to the Philippines and wanting to try Jollibee's. Well, friends, we bought everything on the menu. Let's get into this day's food review. I didn't know you were actually gonna eat it.
I thought I was gonna take them out.
I wanted the last bite.
Oops.